A pressure tank is a special container. It holds liquids or gases under pressure. This pressure is higher than the air around us. Think of a pressure tank like a sturdy balloon. It can hold a lot of air, but it's much stronger. Pressure tanks are used in many places. You can find them in homes, factories, and even spacecraft. At home, we use them for water heaters and well water storage. Factories use them for large-scale processes. Spacecraft use them to store fuel and oxygen. These tanks come in different shapes and sizes. Some are small enough to hold in your hand, others are as big as a building. The size and shape depend on what the tank is used for. No matter the size, pressure tanks are important. They help us store and use fluids safely and efficiently. Stainless steel is a popular choice for pressure tanks, but why? Stainless steel is very strong. It can withstand high pressure without breaking. This strength is vital for safety. Another advantage is its resistance to corrosion. Stainless steel doesn't rust easily. This is important for tanks holding water or chemicals. Corrosion can weaken the tank over time. Stainless steel is also very durable. It can handle high and low temperatures. This makes it suitable for a wide range of applications. Finally, stainless steel is easy to clean and maintain. This ensures the purity of the stored substance. For all these reasons, stainless steel is a top choice for pressure tank construction. Designing a pressure tank is a complex task. It's crucial to ensure the tank is safe and reliable. This is where ASME standards come in. ASME stands for the American Society of Mechanical Engineers. ASME creates codes and standards for pressure vessels. These standards are like a rule book for engineers. They set strict guidelines for design, materials, and testing. By following ASME standards, engineers can ensure their designs are safe. The standards cover everything from the thickness of the steel to the welding techniques used. These rules help prevent accidents and ensure the tank operates correctly. ASME certification is a mark of quality and reliability in the industry. Designing a pressure tank involves many calculations. Engineers use special formulas to determine the tank's thickness. This ensures it can handle the pressure. They also calculate the size and shape of the tank. This depends on the volume and type of fluid it will hold. The type of stainless steel is also important. Different grades have different strengths and corrosion resistance. Engineers also consider the operating temperature and pressure. They perform simulations and tests to check for weaknesses. One critical safety check is the pressure limit. Every tank has a maximum pressure it can safely hold. Engineers calculate this limit carefully. They consider factors like material strength and welding quality. This ensures the tank won't fail even under extreme conditions. By carefully considering all these factors, engineers design pressure tanks that are both safe and effective. Following ASME standards is not just good practice, it's essential for protecting people and property.